হয়ে গেছে।
This is sum number 2 from the exercise 8.2. Now, first of all, a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b, take common from these two. A square plus b square plus 2ab equal to a plus b whole square. Taking common m plus 1 by m. So therefore the answer should be like this. This is sum number 3. 3p whole square minus 2 into 3p into 4q plus 4q whole square. Taking common a, 3p minus 4q. Therefore from a square minus 2ab plus b square, 3p minus 4q whole square, 3p minus 4q. So therefore the answer should be like this: 3p minus 4q, 3p minus 4q plus a. This is sum number 6. Here p to the power 4 minus 2p square q square minus 9p square q square. We just break this 11p square q square into two terms: minus 2p square q square minus 9p square q square. Minus 11 should be minus 2 and minus 9. So therefore p to the power 4 minus 2p square q square plus q to the power 4 minus 9p square q square, p square whole square minus 2 into p square into q square plus q square whole square minus 3pq whole square. From first 3, p square minus q square whole square minus 3pq whole square. A square minus b square form a plus b into a minus b. So therefore the answer should be like this, and p square minus q square minus 3pq. This is sum number 8. First we have to open this bracket and multiply this. 3a into 3a 9a square, 3a into 2c plus 6ac minus 4b into b minus 4b square minus 4b into c minus 4bc. Now arranging this like in this order: plus 6ac minus 4bc, a square minus b square form. So therefore 3a whole square minus 2b whole square. Arranging this, after that take common as 2c. So the remaining part should be 3a minus 2b. After that from this 3a plus 2b, 3a minus 2b plus 2c, 3a minus 2b. Now taking common as 3a minus 2b. After that 3a plus 2b plus 2c is the answer. This is sum number 11, x square minus y square minus 6ax plus 2ay plus 8a square. Now here is an important part. This is a square term, this is a square term, this is also square term, but the difference between these three square terms is here, because 8a square, because we can't square root of these terms, so therefore we have to put it in some way, so we have to square root these terms. So therefore first of all this should be written in this way. After that 8a square can be written as 9a square minus a square. This term 9a square, 9 root over 9 means 3 and root over a square means a. So therefore these two terms can be reduced by using square root, but we can't use this term, so therefore we have to put it in this way. After that we rearranging the values. First, x square minus 6ax plus 9a square. After that minus y square plus 2ay and minus a square. After that x whole square minus 2 into x into 3a plus 3a whole square, taking common as minus from these three terms is should be y square minus 2ay plus a square. After that this should be x minus 3a whole square and this should be y minus a whole square. A square minus b square form a plus b, a minus b. Simplify those values. This is the answer. This is sum number 12. Now you can see in this sum, this one, this one, this one and this one are square terms, and we can square root of these terms, so therefore we can't put it in some other way. Now first of all we rearranging these values. Here is 4ac, so therefore first term should be a square minus 4ac plus 4c square. After that this one and this one, these two are minus, so therefore we take common as minus. After that 9b square minus 30bd plus 25d square. So this should be a whole square minus 2 into a into 2c plus 2c whole square minus in third bracket 3b whole square minus 2 into 3b into 5d plus 5d whole square. First 3 a minus 2c whole square, last one is 3b minus 5d whole square. A square minus b square form a plus b, a minus b. Complete. This is sum number 15. First of all we have to multiply these two terms opening those brackets. So first of all after multiplying this we can get a square x square minus a square y square minus b square x square plus b square y square, and breaking 4abxy into this 2abxy plus 2abxy. Now after that we take these three terms a square x square plus 2abxy plus b square y square into a bracket, and after that taking minus as common, this one a square y square. This should be sum number 15. First of all we have to multiply this opening those brackets. A square into x square, a square x square, a square into minus y square, minus a square y square, minus b square into x square, minus b square x square, minus b square into minus y square, plus b square y square, and we cut it 4abxy into two parts as 2abxy plus 2abxy. Now this term, and this term taking into a bracket. After that take minus as common. These three terms is into this bracket. So after that this one can I write ax whole square plus 2 into ax into by plus by whole square. After that ay whole square minus 2 into ay into bx plus bx whole square. So first three terms can I write ax plus by whole square, and the last three terms we can write ay minus bx whole square. A square minus b square form ax plus by plus ay minus bx, ax plus by minus ay plus bx.